Good morning, all the students of 7th standard. We are learning the third lesson of our geography, that is tide. Page number 11 is going on neap tide. While revolving around the earth, the moon makes a right angle with respect to the earth and the sun twice a month. What is there? While revolving around the earth, the moon makes a right angles. When the moon is revolving around the earth, at that time it makes a right angles with respect to the earth. It will make the right angles. It makes the right angles with respect to the earth and the sun there. So this type of situation twice in the month, two time in the month, it will make right angles while revolving around the earth and the sun. That this position occur on the first and the third quarter of each month. So that positions, right angle positions, it's occur first and what is there, third quarter of each month. On both these days, the forces of both the sun and the moon operate at right angles on earth. So on both these days, first day and the third quarter day, on both these days, the forces of the moon and the forces of the sun, it will be there, it operate right angles on the earth there. So for that purpose, figure 3.8 is given. At the place where the sun causes high tides, gravitational pulls of the moon, which is at right angles, also act on the sea water. So due to the sun, what is there, high tides occurs, that at the same time gravitational of the gravitational force of the moon also pulls that water there. It's also created the same impact. Due to such conditions, the water level rise is less than usual at the time of high tide. So sun gravitational force is there and moon gravitational force is there. So due to that only, whatever the position is the rise position of the water level is there, that the water positions or the rising position of the water is a little bit less than the regular one, because of the gravitational force of the sun and the moon both occur at the same time. Similarly, fall in water level is less than usual, and also allowing that fall in water, decreasing water level is also less than the irregular one or usual one during the low tide. This is because the attractions of the sun, the moon are not complementary but right angles to each other. So this is only because the sun and the moon, they are not complementary, they are not opposite, they are at the right angles and they operate to each other. The gravitational force occur. Such tides are called as a neap tide. So at that time, what is there? Neap tide is there. Here they gave the sequence position, also picture is also there. Right angles from the sun, earth and the moon, how they are coming in the direction that. So at that time, whatever the tides occur, to that we can call as a neap tide. Position means rising is also less and falling is also less. Neap tides are a little lower than the average high tide. Neap tide, if you see, the little bit lower than the average one high tide and a little higher than an average low tides. And what is the low tide is there in comparison of the little low tide, little bit average, little bit higher. Means high tide in that low one, and which is low tide in that little bit high one. In this way, difference is there. Intertidal range. The differences in the water level of the high tide and the low tide is called as a tidal range. That intertidal range, that if the differences is there in the water level, differences in the high tide or the low tide, that difference is called as a tidal range. In open seas, this range is about 30 centimeter. If sea is open flat surface there at the time into the sea, that difference 30 centimeter is there. However, toward the coastal area, it goes on increasing, and when the waves are coming toward the coastal region area, that time what will happen, that it will be increased, that range will be, height will be increased. Along the coast of peninsula in India, range around the 100 to 150 centimeter for most of the part. That sometime what is that, when it is coming toward the coast, that time 100 to 150 centimeter will be go up. The highest tidal range in the world is observed at a Bay of Fundy along the Atlantic coast of North America. Highest tide it's occur into the Atlantic coastal side of the North America there. Here the tide range is about 1600 centimeter. 1600 centimeters the tide will be there. That much height tide is occur to that side. In India, the highest tide range is in the Gulf of Campak. Highest tide range, if you see in Indian side, that It is the Gulf of Kambad there. It is about the 1100 centimeter that tide occurs. Now effect of the tide. What are the effects are there of the tide? With the high tide, fish move into the creeks, and this helps to the fishing activity. Whenever the tides occur, that time fishes from the sea or the ocean, it will move toward the creek. It will become toward the creek region area, and there mostly fishing activity is carried out with the more number or with a large number. Tides clear the west, and the hence the coast becomes clean. That due to the tide, whatever the western part is there, it will be clear. So 1 minute.